President Aquino called on his critics to help the government instead of spreading doubts in an Iglesia ni Cristo event in Bulacan this morning. In his address, the president said it is inevitable for the government to make enemies as it pushes for key reforms. We have Ina Andolong for that report from Bulacan. Hi, Ina. Go ahead.
Following the filing of an impeachment case against him because of his stimulus program and amid outrage against his allies' move to scrap the judiciary's Judicial Development Fund, President Aquino said he and his critics should love each other. He said this at the inauguration of the Ciudad de Victoria, a 75-hectare multipurpose complex owned by Iglesia ni Cristo. Speaking before a crowd of about 50,000, the president said the government, in carrying out reforms, will inevitably make enemies. He said there will always be critics who will comment on his every move, even his attendance to today's event. The president said, and I quote, paalala ko lang sa kanila kung kapwa ko kayo Kristiyano, tungkulin natin magmahalan sa ngalan ng Panginoon sa halip na maghasik ng agam-agam at di pagkakaunawaan. He urged his critics to work with the government for the betterment of the people. The president led the inauguration of the Ciudad de Victoria complex, which features, among others, the Philippine Arena, which is said to be the world's biggest dome arena. The INC is a politically influential group with politicians seeking its endorsement during elections. The congregation is believed to vote as a bloc, with its endorsement said to deliver 2 to 3 million votes for candidates. The event was attended by Vice President Jejomar Binay, who has openly talked about his plans to run for president in 2016. Now, he was supposed to introduce the president earlier, but it appeared there was a change of plans when Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. made the introduction instead. Now, Ochoa's brother-in-law owns the New San Jose Builders, which happens to be one of the property developers that worked on the Philippine Arena, which cost more than $200 million or more than 9 billion pesos. The INC endorsed President Aquino and his then vice presidential running mate and now Interior Secretary Mar Rojas, who was also there at the event in Bukawi, Bulacan. The Ciudad de Victoria is the venue for the INC's upcoming centennial anniversary celebration next week. Mai?
Thanks, Ina. That was Ina Andolong reporting to us from Bulacan.